In the quiet moments before dawn, a revolution is silently reshaping our lives. Artificial intelligence.
It's hard to say exactly what that moment is, but there will come a point where no job is needed.
It's laying off employees from several teams in Google's cloud unit.
Many of the 11,000 Meta employees being laid off are in
In the quiet moments before dawn, a revolution is silently reshaping our lives. Artificial intelligence, AI. This isn't the distant future of science fiction. It's happening right now in 2024. AI is transforming industries, how we work, live, and even think. With the AI market projected to exceed $300 billion this year, the scope of this revolution is staggering. But behind these numbers is a profound change in the way we understand human potential and its relationship with technology. To fully appreciate where we stand today, we need to rewind to the 1950s, when the seeds of AI were first planted. Visionaries like Alan Turing and John McCarthy laid the foundation of modern AI. Turing, with his famous Turing test, pondered whether machines could think like humans. McCarthy, who coined the term artificial intelligence in 1956, envisioned machines that could simulate human reasoning. Though rudimentary by today's standards, their early work sparked a movement that would eventually evolve into the AI we know today: intelligent, adaptive, and rapidly progressing. Fast forward to the present, and AI has infiltrated nearly every sector. In finance, AI algorithms now process vast amounts of data in seconds, helping financial institutions predict market trends, minimize risks, and optimize trading strategies. The speed and accuracy of AI-driven decisions have revolutionized investment and financial planning. What was once science fiction is now a reality. Surgeries performed with robotic precision, diagnoses delivered by intelligent systems, and patient outcomes improved with the aid of AI-driven insights. Despite these advancements, AI's impact on jobs has been a topic of much debate. Is AI friend or foe? Will it make us more efficient, or will it take away our livelihoods? The answer is not straightforward.
It's hard to say exactly what that moment is, but there will come a point where no job is needed.
On one hand, AI is automating roles that were once thought to be exclusively human. Jobs in data entry, customer service, and even some forms of legal work are now being performed by machines. However, AI is also creating new opportunities. It's reshaping industries in ways that require human oversight, creativity, and decision-making. The rise of the AI-powered gig economy is one such example. AI platforms are opening up new opportunities for freelance and contract work. Instead of being tied to a traditional 9-to-5 job, workers now have the flexibility to take on projects from around the world, monetizing their skills in ways that were previously unimaginable. This shift is challenging the traditional concept of employment and pushing us toward a more dynamic, adaptable workforce. We must ask, what is the role of human creativity in this new world? Can a machine truly create, or is it merely mimicking learned patterns? These questions challenge traditional notions of creativity, prompting us to explore new forms of collaboration between humans and machines. In the past 5 years, AI has profoundly transformed the job market. It has optimized processes across industries, but the next 5 years promise even more disruption. So, is AI good or bad? The answer isn't simple. AI is a tool, one that can be used for good or ill, depending on how we choose to wield it. It has the potential to enhance our lives in ways we've never dreamed of, but it also comes with risks. As we integrate AI into our world, we must remain vigilant, ensuring that it benefits humanity rather than driving us apart. As we stand on the brink of an AI-driven future, the journey ahead is filled with both promise and uncertainty. AI presents a world of opportunities, but also challenges that will require wisdom, compassion, and foresight to navigate. The question is not whether AI will shape our future, it will. The real question is, how will we shape the future of AI? Thank you for joining us on this journey through AI's transformative impact.